Hey, what's up, Ziguanas? This is a special announcement about what's next for the channel. Today, I was supposed to work on the third part of the N inline series and to implement file access in the game so that I can save states and load states from the files. But then I realized that because I haven't touched files in Zig, that I would probably spend a half an hour at least going through files and how they work and experimenting, which is not related to the game itself. So that's why I didn't want to have a misleading title. So if I said something N inline with file system or something like that, it would be a bit misleading because first of 30 minutes or more of the video, I would have to go through the docs and then not practically code, maybe test some simple things with file systems first. And that's the reason I didn't want to do it, so that people know what to expect when they see a title. That's why I have decided to rethink how I'm going to continue on this channel, because I will have similar issues in the future. For example, I also plan to do daily Ziglings streams, but then when I did the research, I've seen that people are doing them very quickly, like in 2 or 3 hours. Some of the guys managed to pass all of them. And of course, they have different level of Zig experience than me. So I expect this to be much slower for me, especially because I haven't touched some topics. So I would have to pause. And then I cannot make this a daily stream about Ziglings, because I would probably hit a roadblock after a few days. And then I will have to pause and then research a specific topic. And I didn't want to do this research offline. So that's why I'm going to create another stream series that is going to be about specific topics of Zig, where I will, for example, cover file systems and how they work, which I need for an inline game to continue. And I will for sure need some things to continue with the Ziglings once I start and once I hit the roadblock. So that's why I'm going to have this second series, which will be about specific topics of Zig. And I will have a third one, which I also mentioned about lead code, solving lead code problems in Zig. So I'm going to do these three in parallel. So I'm not going to say next 20 days I'm doing only Ziglings, or next 20 days I'm going to do only lead code questions or only topics. So I'm going to mix them as I need them. So maybe I will do 1 day Ziglings, then I hit the roadblock, then I do one specific topic video about certain thing that I need to continue with Ziglings, and then maybe the third day I finish the Ziglings, then the fourth day I do lead code, and so on. So this is going to be more or less what I'm going to do, what I at least plan to do in the foreseeable future on this channel. So I will stream these 3 different series, and I will mix them as I need them. So you will see how it's going to be in the next few days, how I'm going to select where to start from. I think I'm going to do the first video about file systems in Zig, but I might change my mind. So you will see tomorrow what I will do. So today I'm not going to do a regular stream because it's already getting late. And I wanted to plan this ahead so that I have a focus in the next few days, that I know what I will do, so that I don't have to decide this on day-to-day basis. So I think this is better that I have a plan. So this is what will be next for the channel. So hope you guys will like it, and see you soon. Bye bye.